Patient safety. It isn't established by a single choice. It is maintained by 1,000 choices every day. The choice to question the status quo, to sweat the little things, to persevere, to listen, to take pride in your work, to never be satisfied with just good enough. At the end of the day, our main product must be patient safety, because it's yours too. And we know that behind every infusion pump, every monitoring device, every drip of the IV, and every biometrical value, there is a greater story. Why? Because we share it with you. We are Elite, the shield you know, the shield you trust.